We've been moving a lot of dirt here at the finca in Finlandia. Over the past 2 weeks, we've actually raised the height of the land about 2 meters. So when we build a pool, it'll be the same level as the kitchen entrance. Also, if you've seen our previous videos, there's a big pile of garbage that we had. That actually used to be right over here. We cleared out all that garbage and we use it as fill for the patio that we've started building, which is over here by the kitchen. And this area here where we used to have the garbage, now we've leveled so it's the same level as the entryway. And we're starting to put in, we're going to be planting vegetable gardens over here.